Hello again. Today we'll be making cake with no baking. For that we'll need milk and fresh double cream, some sugar, digestive biscuits, lemon, and that's it. First of all, we're going to make cream out of double cream. So for that we need just double cream. I'm going to pour into a bowl. There you go. We'll add some sugar. That will be enough. It's about 2 tablespoons of sugar. I'll squeeze some lemon. Okay. Okay, let's whisk. Looks like this already. I need some milk. I'm gonna put some in the bowl to dip big biscuits in. Nobody had a nibble there. It's just broken piece. Okay. Now we're gonna dip the biscuits like that. There you go. And put them in there.
Had some milk on already.
Thank you. It looks like this, the first layer of biscuits, and now we're gonna put some cream on top.
Mummy, can I put the cracked biscuit in?
Not yet.
Although, if you don't put it in, if I happy birthday to you.
Now we're putting second layer
Happy birthday
on top.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
It looks like this. Now we're gonna put some cream on top. This is the second layer of cream, and now on top we'll put some more biscuits dipped in milk. There you go. This is the third layer of biscuits, and now we're gonna put some cream on top. This is the cream on top of the last layer, and now we're gonna decorate it with crushed biscuits. Over there, some crushed biscuits. And some sprinkles.
Mouth's not even those.
Okay. It looks like this. Evelyn wanted to make a gingerbread man figure on top, so that's what she's making. And those extra biscuits sticking out, we're just gonna cut them off. It looks like this, our cake. Now time to put it in the fridge for an hour. This is the cake out of the fridge. This is how it looks inside. And on a plate.